This is not what I do. It's the wrong kind of place to be thinking of you. It's the wrong time for somebody new. It's a small cry, and I got no excuse. And is that alright? Yeah. Give my gun away when it's loaded. That alright? Yeah. If you don't shoot it, how am I supposed to hold it? That alright? Yeah. Give my gun away when it's loaded. That alright? Yeah. With you.
Leave me out with the waste. This is not what I do. It's the wrong kind of place to be cheating on you. It's the wrong time. She's pulling me through. It's a small crime, and I got no excuse. And is that alright? Yeah. Give my gun away when it's loaded. Is that alright? Yeah. You don't shoot it, how am I supposed to hold it? Is that alright? Yeah. Give my gun away when it's loaded. Is that alright? Is that alright with you? That alright? Yeah. Give my gun away when it's loaded. Is that alright? You don't shoot it, how am I supposed to hold it? Is that alright?
Dad, that horn has your chief seal covered.
Give my gun away.
Is Heather my sister?
Is that alright?
Don't be afraid.
I'm not afraid to